Welcome back to the channel. Today I am making some Jamaican Bulla cake. It's one of our favorite sweet treats. So let's get started. I'm gonna start with my wet ingredients. So I have 1 cup of sugar, which I'm gonna add here. 3/4 cups of water with fresh ginger in it. I may not need as much, but I rather have this much than too little. So I'm pouring that in there. Might not be the whole thing. I think I might leave something back. A tablespoon of vanilla. Tablespoon of molasses. And some melted butter. We want to make sure that the sugar is properly dissolved. If it's not, the bullas are going to be very porous. I learned that the hard way. Now this was 4 tablespoons of melted butter. I want to mix this really good. Make sure that the sugar is dissolved. I think I might as well just pour this in here. For our dry ingredients, I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour, which I've sifted, not required, but I always sift my flour. I have here 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of freshly grated nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of all-purpose, teaspoon of ginger, actually a tablespoon of ginger, sorry, tablespoon of cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And we are just going to combine these. Sure that this is, oh my. Okay, today my mixer is gonna get some rest. I'm gonna be using my hands. So let's pour our liquid in. This thing is supposed to be sticky. So also, please make sure you check to make sure that the sugar is dissolved, because you don't want your bullas to be porous. Please have some additional flour on hand for when you're ready to roll out your dough. This is what the consistency should be. Your hands are gonna be sticky. going to let this rest for maybe 30 minutes or so before I roll it out. Okay, let's roll out our dough and make our cuts and get our stuff ready for the oven. I'm gonna put some flour on the surface, as I've stated before, it is a sticky dough. It was resting. Let's begin our rolling. Oh. Want to get some of this debris so we can have a smooth as possible surface. Now we'll begin our cuts.
I should put flour on here. Don't know, are they too flat? We don't want them too close to each other because we don't want them sticky. Ooh.
These will go into the oven for 20 minutes. So here we have it. Our bullas are now out of the oven. We have those. And we have these. We have 2 sets. So these are a little bit thicker. Of course, this one is our sample. There we go. That's our cake. We can eat this with whatever we like. Personally, I like to eat mine with cheese. Some people like to eat theirs with pear or avocado pear as we call it. But it doesn't matter what you eat it with. If you love it, it is a great snack. Thank you so much for staying with me through the duration of this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and turn the notification bell on, and leave a comment. Let me know how much you like what I'm doing. Thank you. Bye.